Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Darryl Thompson. Thank you for joining us today on another of our series on learning how to use the EGW Writings 2 app on my iPad. And in particular, we're going to learn the simple task of copying text and pasting it into a word processor or a message or an email. Now, how do I do that? Very simply. First of all, let's find a quote. So I'm going to tap here on the magnifying glass at the top, and before here I looked for the enemy cannot overcome. So if I tap here, the enemy cannot overcome, and I run my search, here's the quote that I actually want to find on prayer, page 88. And the enemy cannot overcome the humble learner of Christ, the one who walks prayerfully before the Lord. So I'm just going to select that text. Now, once I've selected it, you can see here that I've got the little copy here, and I can copy the text. And when I copy the text, I can come across and I can go to my Pages app, for example, and I can go paste. Now, that's the very simple way. But there is here, if I come back into here, a second way that you can copy, and then you can choose your range and everything that you want to copy. So if I just say, do a little click here on the first word, I can click on the share, I can come across here to copy, and I could go copy whole chapter, or I could copy a range. So see how it's, giving me the ability to copy a range, and I can tap in here and I can say, well, I want to copy here from page 88 to page 89. I go copy range, and then I come across here to my iPad, and I've pasted in that whole range. Now, if I want to come back in here, and once again, I could go there, and this time I could say copy, and I could go copy chapter, and it's now copied the whole chapter text. And I could switch back over here. Let's just clear this out, and then repaste in. And as you can see, I have copied and pasted the whole chapter of text. So thanks for joining us on that. I've shown you how you basically can use the copy or the special share copy function that we've built into the EGW Writings 2 app. I hope this tip helps you. And remember, when you're using the EGW Writings 2 app and you love it, don't forget to share this knowledge that you've now gained on how to use the app with others. Sharing it makes it more powerful. The more people that use it, the more people that will be blessed. So thanks for sharing. Thanks for using the app. Have a nice day.